Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Deepshikha and you are watching Explore with Deepshikha. So today in this video, I will try to address few of your questions and comments that you all do. Okay, so first of all, I am very thankful for the people who do me side messages, who thanks me as they are selected for different universities, and also the people who recognizes me and appreciate me. I am really thankful for that people. Okay, because of few people I'm getting motivation and I'm getting confidence that I should go on and I should not stop. And sometimes I forget to reply to comments, I forget to reply to your messages. Okay, so I'm really sorry for that. So that's why I thought I should bring that questions in a video, so that people like you who are like confused or who have questions, similar questions, their questions can be answered. So today in this video, whatever question I am going to address is asked by one of the student who is now selected for the Azim Premji University in MA in Education program. Her name is Kalyani Chaudhary. Thank you, Kalyani, for the questions. As because of you, many people who have similar questions, their questions will also be answered. Okay, so her first question was that in her offer letter where she got a mail of her selection in MA in Education program, there it was written that she have to join the summer program in June, in month of June. Okay, so now the summer program is going. So she asked me what is this summer program, and like some of us has only got the mail of the summer program and many of them haven't got it. Okay, so she asked me about the summer program. So yes, some of the students are called for the summer program in June. Okay, so this summer program is mainly for the English speaking and writing classes. So there you will get this English speaking and the writing skills. So mainly this summer program is done to improve your English writing and speaking skills. Okay, so yeah. So some of the people are only called so that further they can get help and they don't find any difficulties in English, as in Bangalore campus the professor teach in English language only and some of them also speak Hindi. Those who are selected in summer program, don't think that my English is not good or I am not capable of. You are also capable of, but just to improve you and for you only, that summer program is kept so that further you don't find any difficulties and it will make you more better. So her second question was that her undergraduation is in BSc in agriculture and now she is joining completely, means now she is jumping in completely different sector, that is MA in education. So in what basics she should work before joining this program and what skills she should develop. Okay, so I will tell that yeah, don't stress much, because there are many students who come from very different background and they are joining this MA development and MA education programs. Okay, so it's completely fine, and like you will not find it's very difficult if you are really interested in that course in education in this sector. So I don't think that you will find much difficulties. Just in Azim Premji University you have to read a lot. Okay, so you have to increase your reading skills, reading and writing skills, because you have to also do a lot of assignments and all the assignments are in English only. Okay, so you have to develop your speaking and writing skills and also your reading skills. Okay, and all should be in English. So mainly you have to also make your English speaking, writing and reading very strong. So her third question was that she have noticed that many students carry laptops with them. So what is the use of laptops in the course, and she should learn the basics of the laptop functioning or the advanced level. So she asked me this question because she was confused that she should buy a new laptop or a second hand laptop. So if we talk about laptops, so yeah, in this MA education or in MA development course, laptop is very necessary part and you have to carry it. Okay, but if you are a student who is getting scholarship, so you will also get a laptop with it. Okay, so the scholarship students will get laptop and the students who don't have scholarship, they have to bring their own laptops. Okay. So as I've already mentioned that here you will have to do a lot of assignments. Okay, so here the exam pattern is also based mostly on assignment, and some of the written exam is also there. Okay, so that's why you have to carry laptops. And if I talk about that, you have to learn very basic or the advanced level of laptop. So just you should know the functioning and you should be laptop friendly. So her next question was that she is shifting from Maharashtra to Bangalore for the first time. Okay, so what will be some of the do and don'ts that I can share with her? Okay, so that it can help her in adjusting in the college life and also in adjusting in that city life too. So it happens with all of us, right? When we are traveling for the first time from our city or town to a very big city like Bangalore, so we are very curious to know about the city life, about the college life, how it will be. Okay, so again I will say that, yeah, please don't stress, and it is with everyone, it is not only you, and it happens with everyone. सो जस्ट बी काम. सो आई विल टेल हियर दैट वो बोला जाता है ना कि लाइक समय पे सब कुछ छोड़ दो, समय के साथ सब सीख भी जाते हैं और समय सब कुछ सिखा भी देता है. Okay, so that is only the thing, and for me I think that adaptability is only the key, because you should be adaptable, and if you are having this skill of adaptability, you can adjust and adapt in any environment or situation. Okay, Bangalore is a very beautiful city. Bangalore is very peaceful, at the same time it is very chaotic also, like a lot of traffic. You may have heard that in Bangalore there is a lot of traffic, but it is a beautiful city. You may have also heard about the weather, that the weather is also very good there. So where the Ajim Premji University campus is, it is in the outskirts of the Bangalore, and the campus is also in a very beautiful area, and the campus is also very beautifully designed. Okay, so you will really have your best part of life there, and surely you will enjoy a lot, because with studies there are also very extracurricular activity that you can do there, you can take part in it. Okay, and as Kalyani is coming from Maharashtra, so I think that she will not face any difficulties, because there are a lot of Marathi people there. Majority of the populations of the students are from Maharashtra and Kerala. Okay, if I'm not wrong. So any state people can adjust there. It is a very inclusive space, and you will get all type of people. Okay, so don't worry. I think that I am already late to for making this video, as she has asked me this question 1 month ago, and as a summer program is also have been started. Okay, so I will answer this question like no such big challenges will come. Whatever will come, I know you people will solve it. Okay, and I want more and more people to comment and to ask questions, whatever your doubts are, so that I can also make video and I can help you according to your need. And if you have more queries, you can comment below. So I will reply to your comments. Okay, if you want to know about Ajim Premji University more, about the campus life, about the scholarships, about the documents that you have to bring, and about the placements, so you can watch my previous videos. I will also give the link in my description box. Okay, I hope this video will help you all. So I just want you to like, subscribe and share my channel and help me to grow. Okay, it will take only few seconds, so please go and do it. Okay, so we will meet in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.